don't you tell me you sing?
I don't know.
You sing, right?
I used to, yeah.
Maybe out there they listen to you, but in here, you listen to me!
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
Gwen Sargent?
Did I say something wrong?
No, you're fine. I'm sorry.
You gonna have nightmares tonight?
What?
Oh, that scene in the hospital sure scared the hell out of me.
Yeah, I did. You know, I really hope I don't have nightmares tonight. It's gonna be bad.
I'll take a rum and coke, please. Do you want a drink?
I'm actually okay. Oh. You know, I'm having a really good time, you know, and I never go out anymore, so I'm gonna change my mind. Yes, please, can I?
Thanks.
So, thank you so much.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
This is big.
Yeah. Yeah. Cheers.
Usually, I mean, sometimes it just depends, but I just get really scared, and then I don't think it's okay.
Actually, no, I like the classic more. I can't believe Conan is a Hawaiian. I didn't even know either until I drove up here today.
That's just, okay, I'm sorry, that's sad.
Alrighty. I'm out over this way. Well, we can get you home. Need a ride?
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Yes.
I got you.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
It's
fine. We'll get
Are
you
you
home.
sure?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Well, thank you so much for bringing me. I appreciate it very much. I just didn't feel right about driving.
That's fine. So, when are we gonna do this again?
I'll let you know. I just don't know what I have going on this week. I just want to check my schedule and make sure everything, you know, fits. But I appreciate it very much.
All right.
All right.
Do you need help getting to your car tomorrow?
Oh, no, actually, I think I'll be able to handle it. I think it'll be fine.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Well, let me know, okay?
I will.
Okay.
You have a nice night.
You shouldn't be here. How'd you even find me?
It's the internet. Find anybody. You still singing? Baby bird.
Get out of my house.
And why would I do that?
Get out of my house, because I am done with you.
Now, that's a problem. Sing for me.
Gwen?
Take it! Ah! Kill you! The hell are you? Get off me!
What the hell are you doing?
Where the hell are you going?
Come back here!
And now, making her long-awaited return, the balcony proudly welcomes back the Nightingale, Gwendolyn.